So I'm taking a look at the Ferrule crimping kit. Okay, so it does come with a nice selection of ferrules. Got a guide to let you know which sizes go with what. This one is an 18 AWG, this is a 20 AWG. The one I'm going to be using today is a 16 AWG, so I need to use the black connector. It has 300 of those in this kit. This is kind of nice, so it looks like each one will come out independently. So if we just need to grab a whole bunch of these, put the rest of this up, we don't have to worry about shaking those up. So here is our ratchet tool. One of the nice things about this one, you can see that, is going to make a 6-sided crimp. There's a lot of them that'll make a 4-sided crimp, so a square crimp. This one will actually make a hexagon. So this is good for 30-5 gauge. So first we're going to measure out how much insulation we want to pull off. So as long as that ferrule is, strip that off. Give it a twist. That way we don't have any strays coming out, and push that in place. And the rest is pretty simple. All we're going to do is put the whole thing in our crimper, make sure the wire is pushed in there, and give it a squeeze. And there we go. We've got a nice tight crimp. No chance that guy is going to come out. A couple big benefits to using these things. The first one is that if you have to crimp over and over, you're not going to be damaging that copper as much. And the second one is you don't have to worry about those strands wandering into another terminal. So these things can really come in handy. But overall, that is a very nice kit.